Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a beautiful, nice sketch here. You can see the white paper in the background, and I'm just started drawing. You can see there's drawing a tree here. So this is going to be the bottom of the tree, and the main trunk is going to upward. You can see the branches on the top, another branch just like organic shape going upward on the top. Awesome. And the tree is coming down in the bottom. Awesome. So putting some shades to the tree. Okay, and you can see the branches and the leaves on the top. Just putting some leaves. So in case of leaves, when you put the shades, just we put the dark shades in the bottom and the lighter shades usually on the top. Okay, so you can see the clouds like formations. And connecting the top portion with few strokes here. Under the tree, we are going to draw a house with a pitched roof village house. So that looks like a single cottage. You can see the roof line here from the angle. Awesome. This is the graphics for the pitched roof. Drawing multiple lines with some angles. Okay. And these are the straight lines. Connecting the 2 points here, and the base is little bit higher from the ground. There's a door which is partially, you can see here, and another window on the side, another window here. Okay, putting some landscapes and just showing the field is here. So there's the base, some grasses maybe here and there. So this is the graphics for grasses, and some lines that defines the ground and the courtyard. We're going to put a fence over here. So let's put some vertical lines. There's a road on the other side, and just drawing another outlines. Okay, you can see the grasses along that borders. Another fence is going to be on the other side too. Okay, that's why putting some vertical lines. Okay, so from this position, just we're drawing a straight line which is seen in the far distance. Okay, also just drawing the field with few pencil outlines here, and in a far distance just drawing some plants and the greeneries just with these irregular outlines. Okay, Here we're going to draw another house, but that's going to look smaller because of the distance. That makes the house look smaller. So again, you can see the pitched roof and the vertical elements and the doors and windows of those houses on the side. So two houses together, one house and another one on the side. Sketch is going to be very nice. Some tree can be seen over the house on top of the roof, pitched roof. Another tree you can see on top of the pitched roof, just putting the shades with the pencils. Okay, here you can see the greeneries and the trees just going high on the top. All right. So from the bushes or the graphics of some other trees, you can see two taller trees just going to the sky high. Looks like the palm tree, putting special types of tree leaves and the graphics. Another palm tree you can see here. So two of them just side by side, and few birds just flying in the sky. So just putting the drawings like the alphabet V of English alphabet. Okay, so that's the primary level drawings. Sometimes we can use the crayon colors to define some other graphics. So for the skyline, we're just using blue colors as a background, you can see. So there's the skyline defines. Okay, you can use the fingertips just to mix it up within the canvas. Okay, awesome. So very simple scenery, simple sketch. You can do practice at home and the drawing is going to be very nice. The village scenery, I hope you can do it and you can do the practice. So three houses, very simple, very easy. Thanks for staying with us. You can also browse to the playlist to have different kinds of drawings in multiple categories. And also you can visit through a short list, and hope to see you soon. See you in our next videos. Stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.